work on the door, it won't stay shut. So I have to do something there. I thought the door was, he didn't put it in right, but no, something's wrong with it. My camera's getting dripped on, so I gotta walk away from the trees. Yeah, look at that. He's always a good blower, but now he's a little Pulpmobile. Yeah, that sucker always blew good. He's got the feet high too. It would do better if it was lower, but we got a lot of rocks and stuff over here. We'll have to make a better latch. It was in that piece of metal. Yeah, there you go. We could do that. Yeah. Either that or put a latch. Put something you could latch or. Okay.
See, that thing goes right here.
Oh yeah, it's working good. Yeah. Hey, look, some faggots in it. Sorry. That's a running joke with us, so. I have nothing against gay people or anything like that. I ain't politically correct. It's just I got friends that are gay. Best friends I got, too. Whoa. See if I can give him a bungee cord or something to jig that up with for now. So that he just hyperextended that hinge with it, and it's all good. There, and we can do something with one of these. Come on. Stupid things. If you want one, every one of them grabs out.
Let me see that thing. I think we see if we can.
Oh, I was going to give you this bungee cord just to...
Yeah, no, we'll have to. Yeah, it's not good. We can think it's coming. Oh.
Well, yeah, that when it opened like that, that could have tweaked the hell out of the hinges.
Yeah, I guess we still got to do something.
Yeah, we got to reinforce that somehow.
Maybe.
You know what? Put a piece of that angle iron you bought, weld it on the bottom of it, to reinforce the flat part.
Yeah, what?
See, if this thing was stronger. That too.
Yeah, that. Oh, that's right. That's what's supposed to hold it.
Yeah, that's what's supposed to hold it closed, but it's not strong enough. But the sucker, no, it's blowing. This sucker, if you set it lower, you'd blow this driveway just as good, if not better, than the John Deere.
We got it too high, I think.
Yeah, it's too high.
Yeah, we didn't put it.
But now you can use it, so we can set it up so it's low, and then just, you know,